Let's catch up with Tumi, a senior marketing major from Johannesburg, South Africa. Tumi's story highlights how UNOH offers top quality education and exciting campus life, all at an affordable cost. Scholarships, student activities, and new friendships make UNOH a place to thrive. Tumi, tell us more.
Thank you, Alex. Greetings to you all. So many people ask me, why UNOH? Well, the answer is quite simple. UNOH has provided me with a better opportunity than many other schools that I was looking at. I came to the US from South Africa and was scouted by 4 schools for soccer. But I knew I had to choose a university that gave me a chance to go far in life after graduation. UNOH is one of the most affordable schools in Ohio that is regionally accredited. I was blessed with athletic scholarship, so I had the chance to study for 2 degrees and play soccer at the same time. At UNOH, focusing on academics and sports is easy. Outside of that, there are student events year-round, giving everyone opportunities to mingle and make new friends. Student activities always offers free food and entertainment, like electric bull riding and inflatables. There's also intramural sports, mud volleyball tournaments, and if cars are more your speed, they host car shows, even drifting demonstrations. Having the opportunity to witness a mini tank on campus on a Tuesday afternoon, that is so fun and so American. As a student worker, I get to speak to other students and get to know some of the people on campus. I love learning why they came to UNOH and see what their goals are after graduation. I would 100% recommend the University of Northwestern Ohio due to the amount of experiences that one can get from being here and the people that you meet here who make it worthwhile. Thank you for walking with me. And now back to you, Alex.
Tumi, it's awesome how UNOH makes a great education accessible, fun, and full of unforgettable experiences. As one of the most affordable universities in Ohio, UNOH provides a world-class education that is within reach for students from anywhere in the world. Thank you for sharing your incredible journey from South Africa to Lima. Cheers, Tumi.